We'll help you on how to add a moving average trading indicator in MetaTrader mobile.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
In order to do this, click a ticker symbol that you would like to add the moving average, go to the middle hand screen, and click this icon over here in the middle hand screen indicators. And under here, main window, click the plus icon. Locate moving average underneath trend, in this case, moving average. As you can see, we can add the period. We'll add a 10 minutes. Shift method, you can have it simple, exponential. We're going to keep it here, and then you can apply this to the open or the close of the price. You can even change the time frames, all time frames if you would like, the different style or the color of the moving average, and then click done. As you can see, we now have the moving average displayed on the screen as its color white, so we know exactly where price is going to go completely for free.